Welcome to this technical guide on the Dyson HD01. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Dyson HD01 cable keeps shorting out, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to wear and tear, especially if the cable has been bent or pulled excessively. If left unresolved, it may lead to further electrical faults or even pose a safety hazard. So, let's get started on the repair. For this task, you'll need a screwdriver set, a replacement cable, some electrical tape, and a pair of scissors. First, ensure your Dyson HD01 is unplugged from the mains to prevent any electrical shock. Carefully use your screwdriver to remove the screws located at the base of the unit. Be gentle to avoid damaging any surrounding components. Once you have the screws out, gently lift the casing away from the main body. You should now be able to see the internal wiring. The component that commonly fails is the power cable connection. Look for any visible signs of fraying or damage. If you spot any issues, it's time to replace it. To do this, carefully disconnect the damaged cable from its connector, making sure to note where each wire goes. When you're ready, take your replacement cable and strip the ends to expose the wires. Connect the new cable to the same terminals as the old one, ensuring a secure fit. Use electrical tape to protect any exposed wires. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once you've secured the new cable, carefully reattach the casing, making sure everything fits snugly. Replace the screws, ensuring they are tightened sufficiently but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Finally, plug in your Dyson HD01 and turn it on to verify that the issue has been resolved. Now that your device is functioning properly, let's talk about prevention. To avoid future cable issues, try to handle your Dyson more gently, avoiding excessive pulling or bending of the cable. Regularly inspect the cable for any signs of wear, so you can catch problems before they escalate. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.